Hello people, welcome back. I'm Manish Wagle and this is DevLog episode 2. In previous episode, I showed you that I have already started the project and implemented some basic feature to prototype my game. In this video, let me show you what else I did till now. Let me show you a quick demo of the game and explain you other things. Like as you can see here, I implemented some obstacle in the game and implemented the feature of the death. So whenever player touches an obstacle, he dies. I also implemented other features, so let's discuss about them. First thing I did was replaced my spare player with a cube one because I thought of an idea that our main player will be a car and a cubic object might represent car more than a spherical object while prototyping. So another thing was, as you can see right here, I changed the camera angle of my game. So now it is third person like rather than top bottom. So that was the major changes I did. And another thing was the gameplay, of course. Oh, what I saw you just now was my first impression and what I thought I would make the game. But after creating and playing it in my mobile, I felt that it is not a good idea to play by dragging an object because with a little bit of misdragging, you might die in the game. And dying a lot without even knowing is not a good thing. Like for example, I died many times playing my own game while I didn't even realized when I tossed the obstacle. So I completely dropped out that concept and what I did was implemented the swapping feature in the game. Like now if you play the game, you will not drag the player to move. Rather, the whole platform is divided into three lanes and by swiping in the screen you move your character and as you can see it snap right in the position so that there will be no mispositioning of your player and you will not die due to the accident. These are the main features I implemented in the game till now, and by doing this I think that the prototyping phase of the game is over and now I should start building the models for the game and making game look more beautiful and add extra features to the game. I'm thinking about making this game as a racing like game where our main player will be a car and it has to move forward avoiding all the obstacles coming in its way. And I'm also thinking about modeling a different model for our road and decorating the game on the way. So, but I haven't think anything about what our obstacles should look like. So, if you can give any suggestion for that, then please comment down below about what our obstacles should look like. And I will be uploading all the models, speed model of all the objects I create for this game in my video. So, if you are interested in that thing, then check out as well. And this is it for this video. In next video probably I will complete few model and might implement the main player as in car and the road for the ground. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in any content like this, then please consider subscribing because I am continuously uploading the content for speed modeling in Blender, Unity game, making this devlog, and another series which is continuing right now is ASP.NET MVC. So if you are interested in developing web application and want to learn more about C Sharp and MVC, then please consider subscribing. Also in Unity, the main programming language we're using is C Sharp. So learning C Sharp is also beneficial for you in this part of the course as well. And at the starting of MVC course, the main thing we are learning right now is about C sharp and how to use C sharp for any programming language. So that will be helpful as well. So I hope you enjoyed the series, and again, please subscribe. Thank you.